हेलो जुडिशरी एस्पिरेंट्स। अब जबकि इतने सारे जुडिशरी के एग्जाम्स करीब आ गए हैं, सभी स्टेट्स अपनी अपनी वैकेंसीज रिलीज कर रहे हैं, यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि आपको जुडिशरी की प्रिपरेशन के लिए कौन सा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. Which coaching institute will be the most appropriate for you to crack judicial services? In today's video, we are going to tell you why Pahuja Law Academy should be your first choice for judicial services examination. The first reason why you should join Pahuja Law Academy is the comprehensive course structure of Pahuja Law Academy. Yes, here we provide classes for major minor laws along with GK, current affairs and language, and also separate classes for means answer writing. The second reason why you should join Pahuja Law Academy is small batch size. The size of our batches is small, which ensures कि aspirant और teacher के बीच में interaction हो और जो भी doubts हैं aspirants के वो clear किए जाएं. Thirdly, interactive classes. यहाँ पर हम डिस्कशन पे फोकस करते हैं. वी फोकस ऑन मेकिंग द एस्पिरेंट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट मोर रादर देन गिविंग देम रोट लर्निंग. उन्हें नोट्स डिक्टेट करवा करके उस टाइम को बेटर यूटिलाइज करने की कोशिश की जाती है. रादर देन द रोट लर्निंग मेथड्स वी ऑप्ट फॉर इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस. The next reason is expert faculty for every subject. At Pahuja Law Academy, we have expert faculties for major, minor laws and for local laws as well. For means answer writing, we have experts which tell you how to write answers for main examinations of different states. Another reason is our online test series. It is the first test series which was introduced online in India. In this test series, we have more than 50,000 questions of prelims on almost all the states of judiciary. So this test series you can take online and you will be able to see your real-time result after taking the test. Other reason is that we have classes which pay equal importance to all these subjects. No subject is rushed or hurried. सभी सब्जेक्ट्स पे इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है और सभी तरह के क्वेश्चंस जो उनमें से पॉसिबली बन सकते हैं वो डिस्कस किए जाते हैं. वी ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड एग्जॉस्टिव स्टडी मटेरियल. इस स्टडी मटेरियल में कवर होते हैं आपकी बुक्स, आपके बुलेट नोट्स जो कि ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन दोनों होते हैं. Like I told you, we do not believe in dictating stuff to students, rather than we believe in interactive sessions. So we save time by not dictating those things. Instead, we provide you the material beforehand and you can look at the material and do the self study and then come to the class and ask questions, have an interactive session, clear your doubts with the faculty members. So in this study material, all the test booklets are also covered. For every subject, we provide different test booklets. The next reason is state-wise preparation. We provide crash courses for preliminary and mains for all the states. As soon as a vacancy of a state is released, we start our crash courses for that particular state. And we provide stage-wise preparation for preliminary, mains, and then for the interview. For interview, we take multiple mock interviews of the candidate with a panel of expert faculties. The next reason why you should choose Pahuja Law Academy is our flexibility in batches and our post-course facilities. We provide so many post-course facilities such as, for example, if आपका कोर्स खत्म हो चुका है तो भी आप जो है Pahuja Law Academy के क्लासेस को, recorded classes को देख सकते हैं. You will have access to those classes. Another important reason why you should choose PLA is that we have mains and prelims tests on every Monday. These tests are subject-wise tests. Whatever is being covered in the classes, उन classes के basis पे आपके हर Monday को test conduct करवाए जाते हैं. So these are the main reasons why you should join Pahuja Law Academy along with our record-breaking results. So kindly join Pahuja Law Academy and reach closer to your dreams of becoming a civil judge. Thank you.